All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Sunday preposition. So ashore. Yeah, to go on land from the sea. To go on land. Yeah. I will go ashore soon. All the houses are ashore. We just came from ashore. The land is what is also known as ashore. How cool is that? They want to go back ashore. Yeah. Come with me back ashore to the city. We need to go ashore to the mountain. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, he went ashore yesterday. She went ashore with me yesterday. It always goes ashore at night time. Yeah, at night. I like to go ashore when it is cold and stormy. Yeah. He went with me ashore. She knows where to go when she is ashore. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, how cool is that? So they're going to go ashore. I don't know why. I don't know why they're going ashore, but I am sure they know why. I don't understand why they want to go ashore, but okay, I'm not going to stop them. I don't understand why they want to go ashore, but I'm not going to stop them. Okay? How cool is that? Soon their plans are to go ashore. Yeah, so they have, okay, there are some plans to go ashore. It depends on the schedule. It depends on the schedule, because if we go ashore now, then we might not be able to get back to sea as easily. It depends. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So ashore, to go on land. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use ashore in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, my name. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.